Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to install the Telegram app on your phone. The process is really easy. I'll show you how. Let's get started. So first of all, open Play Store if you are on Android device and open App Store if you are on iOS device. I'll open Play Store on my phone. This is the homepage of Play Store. On the homepage, you'll have to tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Then on the search bar, simply type Telegram and press search. So this is the app we're looking for, the one at the top. Now all you have to do here is tap on the install option and wait for the app to get installed. Talking about Telegram, it is a messaging app. It is quite similar to Messenger. You can chat with your friends individually or even create group chats. You can use stickers, you can use emojis, you can use voice messages and many other features. On this app, people will be connected to you using their phone number. Okay, so the app is almost installed now. Let's wait for a few more seconds. As you can see on the screen, the app has been installed. Now if you tap on the open option, you'll be directed to the app. Then you can create an account and start using it. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for further tutorials. Thank you.